Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today. Um, in today's newspaper on Friday, yes, Friday, June the 17th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper on Thursday, June the 16th, 2022. We have three puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this. Oh no, we have four puzzles and the binary. I left the binary. Yes, four puzzles. We have four puzzles left. But first, we will solve this Sudoku with 1 star. Alright. And this will be a number 4715. 4715. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the third row should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then, let me see. Well, 3. 2, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then two missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. Okay. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in the second column. Four numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay, so we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in that row, so no 8 in this box. So one box left for the 8 should be there in the middle column. Okay. Eight in, sorry, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. All right. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. All right. Okay. Let me think. 4. Yeah. 4. Yeah, one box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, 1, 2, 3, 6, and then 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. All right. So 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Apologies, bumped the camera. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. Let me think. 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes. 9 and a 7. Now we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. And this box should be 6. 3 and a 6. Yeah. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Right. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Oh, no. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 9. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be 6. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 1. Two missing numbers in the second row. Four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be 3. This box should be 6. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5. Well, did I make a mistake? I made a mistake here. Double 2. Where did I make a mistake? 2, 2, 2. So this cannot be a 2. This should be a 5. 3 and the 5. Yeah. 5, 5, 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. 6 and the 7. Here in this big square. 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be 7. Finish in 60 minutes. Little bit slower than I expected, but we solve it again with a mistake. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.